If you spend a lot of time driving, a dashcam is one of the smartest gadgets you can add to your car. It gives you peace of mind, captures every moment on the road, and can be crucial in case of an accident. In this video, we'll break down the best dash cams from compact 4K models to full 360-degree systems. All the products mentioned are linked below. So, if you're ready, let's get started. Number 5. Vantrue E1 Pro. The Vantrue E1 Pro proves that good things really do come in small packages. This compact dashcam records true 4K at 30 frames per second, powered by Sony Starvis 2 image sensor. Its footage has rich colors and impressive dynamic range, so license plates and road signs stay clear even under bright sunlight. Installation is effortless thanks to the magnetic adhesive mount, and the included corporal filter helps reduce dashboard glare. The 1.54-inch screen and tactile buttons make it easy to use without needing your phone. But when you do connect, the 5 GHz Wi-Fi app lets you quickly adjust settings or download clips. Built-in GPS logs your speed and location, and you get buffered parking mode, plus support for massive 1 TB cards. In short, it's compact, easy to live with, and delivers consistently sharp 4K footage without crushing the shadows. Number 4. 70mm A810. The 70mm A810 is a clean, no-nonsense dashcam that gets the job done without any fuss. It features a 4K front camera and a 1080p rear camera, both with HDR image capture for improved clarity and contrast. The 4K footage looks great, especially for its price. It does lean slightly toward overexposure compared to some competitors, but that actually helps license plates stand out more clearly. Text and smaller details look sharp, backing up 70mm's claim of using advanced noise reduction technology for cleaner, more precise images. Setup is straightforward, and while the screen can be a bit hard to see once mounted, it's still bright enough even under direct sunlight. The 4 navigation buttons make menu access simple, and although the companion app isn't perfect, it's intuitive enough for changing settings and transferring footage. If you don't want to spend extra on something like the VOF, the 70A810 is a solid alternative that delivers impressive quality at a much lower price. Number 3. Vantrue N5S. Vantrue's flagship model, the N5S, is a true rolling surveillance system. It packs 4 Sony Starvis 2 sensors that cover the front, rear, and both sides of your cabin. The front camera records at up to 2.7K, while the rear captures 1440p at a video, giving you near 360 degrees coverage. The real highlight here is consistency. Bright areas stay controlled, shadows retain detail, and nighttime footage looks surprisingly clean. The built-in screen makes alignment and quick reviews easy, while 5 GHz Wi-Fi, GPS logging, and an optional LTE module round out the feature set. It's a hefty unit on the windshield, but the trade-off is excellent visibility from every angle and a 10-second buffered parking mode that records the moments leading up to an incident. Overall, the N5S is built for drivers who want complete coverage, dependable image quality, and high-end features in one package. Number 2. Miofive S1. If you're looking for a no-frills dashcam that gets the job done without breaking the bank, the Miofive S1 is a great pick. The S1 Ultra offers dual 4K recording, built-in GPS, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and a supercapacitor that keeps the device powered even after you've turned the car off. Setup is quick and straightforward. The 3-inch screen is perfectly usable, and the companion app handles all the basics without a fuss. In real-world use, image quality is good enough for daily driving, though it does soften in the details, especially at night, and the dynamic range can't quite match more premium models. The buttons also feel a bit plasticky, and the mount could be sturdier, but if you want affordable dual 4K recording with simple installation and dependable everyday performance, the Miofive S1 is a solid budget-friendly choice. Number 1. Viofo A329. The Viofo A329 was one of the most requested dashcams. Image quality is outstanding. The 4K sensor captures sharp, detailed footage at 60 frames per second, producing smoother motion and crisper details, even at high speeds. A unique feature is its ability to record to both micro SD cards and SSDs via USB-C, letting you store weeks of footage safely tucked inside your glove box. It also includes Wi-Fi 6 for super fast transfers, up to 30 megabytes per second, making it much quicker to pull files to your phone. The only minor drawback is the rear display can be hard to see on steep windshields, but Viofo's mobile app makes setup and playback simple. Overall, the A329 delivers stunning 4K quality, smart storage, and reliable performance. It's a bit pricey, but well worth it for the peace of mind it provides on the road. I hope you liked this video. I have tried my best to provide accurate information about the products that are available on the market so that you can pick the correct product for your purpose. If you have any questions or suggestions, please comment down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.